With patriotic music filling the air, Cliff Beaman of Jacksonville, Florida, turns a 7-foot canvas into a living, breathing mural depicting the splendor of America. This mural, called God and Country, is one of 5 Beaman has created. He says it takes a year or 2 to perfect each mural.
When you hear a piece of music, after going through thousands of albums and things, catch something just right and kind of put that together for your concept of what you want. So that's kind of develops as I get an idea.
Over the course of 30 minutes, Beaman constantly changes the mural. At one moment, he's painting the face of an Indian chief. The next, George Washington appears. And a few minutes later, the face of honest Abe Lincoln emerges. All the while, Beaman's flair for the dramatic shines through as he paints to the music.
He can draw real good. I liked it. I think he draws real good, and I'd like to have one.
Not only is Beaman trying to entertain the children in his audience, he's also trying to convey a very important message to them.
And hopefully the art-music combination can spur a little bit of patriotism and the concept of I Love America.
In Inverness, Michael Jones, WBRC 6 News.